Welcome back to Riley's channel. So let's get started. So if you didn't know what we're doing today in this video, we are actually going to be unboxing some squishmallows. What fun. Okay, so sometimes you guys might get a little confused like where we get these because they're so adorable and so much fun. So if you just go onto like Google and you'll see, if you type in www.squishmallows.com, the website will appear right there, and you can like choose all sorts of squish gems and all sorts of sizes. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's get to unboxing. Alrighty, here it is. This will have one squishmallow in here. So let's see. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I love the color. It is awesome. So guys, whenever you get one of these, if you order them off Amazon or wherever you like to get them, you'll see there's this tag which will say squishmallows, and they'll say like, so soft, cuddle and squeeze me, and it's like really cute. And if you see there's like a row of little squishmallows on there, that's the set where the squad, where whichever one you got came from. So it's really cool. So, and then inside, there's an inside, it will tell you its name and a story. And like, it's so cool because like, you can choose your own name for it, but I like to do the names on here. So let me read you this story. So this octopus's name is Veronica. So here's her story. If you like adventure, pretzels, and crossing books off your reading list, Veronica is the octopus for you. With a book or two in each tentacle, you can be sure she's on some amazing adventures. So I think that's a super cute story, and it's awesome. And so like, I love her squad because it's like so cute, all of them on there. So whenever you get yours, you'll see your squad. So I'm so excited. So make sure you keep on following me and watch next video. So bye, see you next time.